Sir, I may recall that it is the only project launched in the year 2000, sir, which is yet to be completed. Even as we may celebrate the silver jubilee of its launch, I would say, sir. Sir, in the previous session also, KTR Saab had assured us that the results will be seen in 6 months, but still we are awaiting, sir. It is not happening.
Sir, it is true, sir, that when the project was started in 2001, I do regret the delay, honestly, because even in the last session and the session before also I had promised that this would be done expeditiously. Unfortunately, the kind of progress, even I have visited a couple of times, unfortunately, the kind of progress I also wanted has not come about. I also do regret, sir. But मैं अकबर साहब से वादा करता हूँ, अकबर साहब जिस दिन ये काम की शुरुआत हुई थी, आप जवान थे, आज इतने जवान नहीं रहे, मैं भी शायद तब जवान था, आज मैं भी बूढ़ा हो गया, आपकी बेटी तो अभी बारिस्टर बन गई, मेरा बेटा अभी कॉलेज जाने को है, तो उम्मीद करता हूँ और मैं वादा भी कर रहा हूँ, हमारे सारे के सारे डिपार्टमेंट के पूरे इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफिसर यहाँ बैठे हैं, मैं सिल्वर जुबली तो नहीं मनाने दूंगा आपको, ये पक्का बोल रहा हूँ मैं, सिल्वर जुबली तो अगर मनाएंगे तो शानदार तरीके से चार मीनार के इर्द गिर्द वहीं पे एक जबरदस्त जलसा करेंगे और ऐसा जलसा करेंगे ताकि पूरा हैदराबाद वहां आएगा और जरूर एक सबको एक खुश करने की एक अच्छा एक माहौल बना के करेंगे, ये वादा करता हूं। जैसा आपने कहा कौन फंड्स कौन दे रहा है आपने पूछा, सर so far GHMC has been supporting through QQSUDA. We've also given some money from government, but we've also taken money from HMDA for restoration of heritage sites. पिछली बार जब हमारी मीटिंग हुई थी, then immediately on your request, on the request of Honorable MP Hyderabad, I had released 150 crore from HMDA specifically for road widening in the 7 constituencies and especially those abutting Charminar. I would also like to come on record here and tell you, sir, as you have requested now, I am going to announce another 100 crores from HMDA will be deposited immediately into the account of QQSUDA so that they can take up works without any hitch. I assure you of that.